Irene with an anterior hip replacement over at Raritan Bay Medical Center with Dr. Eric Buxbaum.
Well, I had the posterior for the right, and I wanted the anterior, and he does it.
Gotcha. Okay.
And he's a young, upcoming doctor, and I felt very secure. Lots of pain. I would stand up, and I'd have to think a minute, well, not a minute, but a few seconds before I would take my first step. It was a lot, and then after I started to get going, I was okay. Just pain,
Just excruciating pain. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Very good.
No pain in your hip.
No pain in my hip.
Okay. Kind of like fully back to function, or just kind of?
Oh no, I'm fully back. No, I was in the hospital overnight and went home. As soon as I could walk up the steps, they told me I could go.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
So I left. It was a Thursday I had it done, and I left on Friday. Well, I had a very positive experience all the way around. I had to wait because of the virus. I wanted to have it done. I came to see him in like March. Of course, everything was shut down, so I had to suffer for 3 months. Don't wait and go to a doctor and get evaluated. It was fine, good. It was very professional. I had no problems. I had no problems with the hospital. I loved the bed. Oh my God, the bed.
Over at Raritan Bay?
The bed was so great.
Okay.
It was like a gel cushion mattress. Oh my God, I was going to take it home.
So that's the secret at Raritan Bay. No one knows about the beds.